Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download TikTok on PC. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to search in Google TikTok. Once you search, you simply need to open the first website. And once you open that website, you simply need to click on Get App in the right bottom corner, and here you can see the option of scan QR code to download TikTok, and here you can download from App Store. So I'm going to click on get it from Microsoft for this video. Okay, so this is, then you need to click on get in store app and click on open Microsoft Store, and now you can see that it is opening, and here you need to click on open TikTok. So now you can see that the TikTok is open, and here you can see that my TikTok is showing, and if I want I can pin to taskbar. So I'm going to pin it to show you. So now you can see that it is TikTok and I'm going to use it according to my choice. So this is the process by which you can download TikTok on PC. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.